bit of good news. He could be coming for a bit of trip to Ireland.
Exactly, yeah. He confirmed it yesterday while in California with British Prime Minister Rishi Sunak that he's definitely coming to Belfast to mark the 25th anniversary of the Good Friday Agreement. And then he's expected then to go to the Republic as well. He did say he's going to the Republic, but I suppose the question remains whether he'll go to his roots in Mayo and Louth and Dublin, of course. So he'll have a few stops on tour. It's expected to be about 4 days. This April, they're hoping for that anniversary.
Can you imagine the pressure now for poor Larita from Tommy and Hector to be like, get him on the podcast, get him on the podcast. She's like, lad,
she's sweating.
Give me a second. Give me a second. So he is going to be here, and we were talking to Bertie Ahern last week, and he was talking about Hillary Clinton, Bill Clinton.
Yes.
They're all going to be back because it's a momentous occasion. The Good Friday Agreement.
Absolutely, yeah.
We're going to move on to
in terms of the DUP, will this put pressure with this whole framework, with so many, massive states, heads of state coming to Ireland? It
certainly does. I know Jeffrey Donaldson is currently doing a canvass, basically, of public opinion in the North to figure out what people want. They expect the results of that to be to say no to the Windsor framework, but to say yes to moving back into power sharing. At some point, the BBC got sources from the DUP saying that.
Who are the DUP asking? The four people in the DUP? Like, exactly.
Canvass of the North is pretty vague. I think it just buys them time, to be honest.
Just when you see the likes of Joe Biden coming in and Bill Clinton and all these heads of state coming in and they're still reneging against it. But time will tell.